With our jar of twist and shake salad dressing at the ready, we're going to make this light but satisfying warm winter salad. Get 200 to 300 grams of runner beans. Here I've got them all lined up so that I can chop them at one fell swoop, like so. Peel top and tail 4 medium-sized carrots. Your carrots are chopped and washed. Cut them in half and then cut them into strips about 1 centimetre wide, like this. Now I'm going to start steaming the vegetables. We get the carrots going first. Fill a pot of water, get the water 1/3 of the way up, and add your carrots first because they take the longest to cook. Don't forget to put your lid on, of course, otherwise they'll never cook. Peel and wash a large potato. You need a waxy type of potato, such as a Cyprus potato, and cut it into chunks that are about 2 centimetres or 1 inch cubed. Add the potatoes to your carrots. And don't forget to put on the lid. Get your runner beans nicely rinsed. After the carrots and potatoes have been steaming for about 10 minutes, you add your runner beans and you cover the pot. The runner beans are the last to go in because they take the least time to cook. You're going to steam them for about 5 minutes. At this point, I'm going to add a couple of hard-boiled eggs to the steaming water. While everything is steaming away and my eggs are hard-boiling, I'm going to saute a couple of spring onions in some vegetable oil or some butter, whichever you prefer. Remember, you should never saute things in olive oil because high temperatures make it toxic. After about 15 minutes or 20 minutes, 15 or 20 minutes, you check to see the potatoes are cooked. And here they are, nice and tender. Be careful not to overcook. So now my steamed vegetables are in a bowl. I'm going to get my twist and shake salad dressing and give it a shake and a twist. I've added 7 tablespoons of dressing to the vegetables and I'm stirring it gently in. Doing this while they're still warm makes the vegetables absorb the flavour of the dressing better. So there it is, runner bean, carrot and potato salad, garnished with eggs and spring onions. A little spray of freshly ground black pepper, and I think that looks good enough to eat, don't you? It's delicious.